is the fact that they have the most complex eyes known in the animal kingdom. Each eye can move independently, and the shrimp uses its amazing eyesight to avoid predators and to seek out prey. Their eyes are so incredible that scientists have studied their structure to see if it can be replicated for use in reading CDs and other storage devices. They are in fact a very vicious predator that will repeatedly smash their hard-shelled prey until they reach the soft tissue to feast on. Their ability to punch over 50 miles per hour, finishing its strike in under 3,000th of a second, the fastest recorded punch of any living animal. It's so fast in fact that each of their strikes can produce small flashes of light upon impact.